What is common law and how does it work? Imagine a legal system that grows and changes based on what judges decide in real cases rather than just written rules. That's what common law is all about. It's a way of making laws through court decisions. When judges hear a case, they look at what previous courts have decided on similar issues. These past decisions are called precedents. They help keep the law consistent so everyone knows what to expect. The main idea behind common law is the principle of stare decisis. This means courts should follow earlier rulings to keep things fair and predictable. If a higher court rules on a case, that decision becomes binding on lower courts in the same area. So, if a court in one city rules a certain way, other courts in the same jurisdiction will follow that ruling in future cases. Common law started in England after the Norman Conquest in 1066. The king's courts replaced local courts and created a unified legal system. This system spread to many countries like the United States, Canada, and Australia, which still use it today. Unlike civil law systems that relying on detailed written laws, common law is more flexible. Judges interpret laws and fill in gaps when no specific rule exists. In courtrooms, judges play a key role. They listen to both sides, review previous decisions, and then decide based on the law and facts. They act as neutral referees, not investigators. When a new issue comes up that no one has decided before, judges can create new rules that future courts will follow. This way, the law evolves over time. Contracts under common law need to be clear and detailed because few terms are implied automatically. This often leads to long, specific contracts to cover all possible situations. Courts also use equitable principles to ensure fairness when strict rules might cause injustice. For example, if someone is unfairly harmed, courts can order remedies beyond just money, like stopping a harmful action. Overall, common law is a flexible system built on judicial decisions. It changes and adapts as judges interpret laws in real cases. This approach helps the law stay relevant and fair, guiding how courts resolve disputes and shape legal rules over time.